Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. This episode, something a little different. I'm gonna do wings. Lots of different ways to do wings. I've done them on the grill. This time, I'm gonna do what I've seen on the internet. A lot of people are doing them in their air fryers, right? So the crispy air fryer chicken wings. I really wanna try it just to see how good they are or how good I can make them. Might take a few tries, but at least this will be a good start. So here's what I've done. I have chicken wings that I bought at the store, and I've cleaned them and I've let them sit layered in paper towels to help absorb a lot of the water off of the chicken. So as you can see, I have several layers in there, right? So, and I've cleaned off some of the extra skin or fat, you know, whether they're good for you or not, I don't know. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is cook these in the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air oven that I have. So what I'm gonna get started with, I have some baking powder, salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna put that in here just like so, mix that up a bit. And what I'm gonna do is toss a few of the wings at a time in this mixture, just to show you. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna grab a few in here. I'm gonna mix them up. Grab just a few more here. These aren't huge. And kind of do the shake and bake kind of thing, right? So I'm gonna just mix that up, make sure they're all coated. And the key is that baking powder. And before I put them in the toaster oven here, I'm gonna shake off any excess baking powder on these. So let's do that next. Okay, so I'm at my Ninja oven here, and I have my wings, and I'm just shaking off the extra baking powder that's on them like that. And I'm placing them in here. I don't want them to touch each other. I just want to set them up inside my tray here. So I'm going to put these in. I'm going to grab a few more, mix them up, and get ready to do the rest of them. Okay, I have some more of the chicken on my tray in here. I'm going to go ahead and slide it in. I could preheat it my oven, but I'm going to cheat here a little bit. I'm just going to turn it on and use air fry. And in this case, I'm going to cook it slow at first for 15 minutes. At about 250 degrees, right? Really get it going, and then once that's done, we'll flip them and then crank up the heat a bit on this, okay? But if I can get to 250 here, almost there, there we go. 250 degrees, 15 minutes, let it cook. I don't mind that it preheats it, gets it warm at the same time. It's just gonna make sure they're done. Okay, my 15 minutes just binged on my oven here. So I'm gonna take a look. Wow, looks pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna start flipping them over. Make sure I get kind of both sides evenly cooked somewhat. So I'll go ahead and finish flipping these. Did I flip that one? I think I did. Tricky part is remembering which ones you flip, which ones you didn't, right? So I'm gonna finish flipping these, and then we're gonna set it to the next setting. Okay, I flipped all the chicken. I'm ready to stick it back in the oven. Go ahead and shut it up. Now, I'm gonna increase the temperature, and I'm gonna increase the time to about 20 minutes now. 20 minutes, and I'm gonna go up to about 430, 440 degrees, somewhere in that neighborhood. Get up here a little bit higher. How about 435? That sounds good. I'm gonna cook it again. I'm gonna watch it as I get close to this 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm gonna watch it, but I think it's gonna take these 20 minutes here. All right, let's start it, go. Okay, we finished 20 minutes in the Ninja air fryer. Look at those wings. Those look very crisp, right? They're not gonna be like deep fried crisp, but they're crispy. I can tell, you can see the little air bubbles that are on them and stuff. So I'm gonna pull them out of the oven. I'm gonna let one cool down so I can try it. You know, you can put whatever kind of sauce on it you want. We have all kinds of choices of sauces to put on. Mix it up however you like it. It'll taste good. Dad, this one's for you. I know you want to try this on the air fryer. As soon as I get a taste here, I'll let you know. Okay, I'm ready to try this air fried chicken. It looks delicious. That salt and pepper on there. When I pulled them out of the oven, I could hear them being crisp. They've cooled down a little bit here. I'm gonna try a bite here. Again, not as crispy as deep fried, right? That's a whole different frying method. But this is very good. Wow. Oh yeah, just that salt and pepper is nice, but I'll use plenty of different spices on here. Lots to choose from. Get the recipe at citygrill.com. You're gonna like this air fried chicken.